Hi students, hope all of you are doing well and your preparation is also going good. Now many notifications are there including IBPS or RBI also. Now they have extended the date. The season has begun students. You can expect thousands of vacancies from now till December. When I talk about this calendar year, till December, you're going to get thousands of vacancies, central government vacancies. So keep your preparation on. Now, we are going to discuss two fantastic questions from time and work chapter in this session. See students, these two questions are actually taken from the previous year question papers from different competitive exams. This is from the CAT examination and this is from the bank exams. Okay, both are good questions. I can categorize these questions as a little above moderate level difficulty questions. Okay, first, as it is what you need to do, first take a screenshot of this one, or at least keep the screen on pause mode and try to do it by yourself. That's important. Okay, how they have given the questions, you see, A and B can do a work in 12 days at their usual efficiency based on efficiency. If A had worked half as efficiently as he usually does, and B had worked thrice as efficiently as he usually does, the work would have been completed in 9 days. Understood? Actually, if they work according to their usual efficiencies, it will be done in 12 days. Otherwise, with some manipulation, it would have been done in 9 days. If that is the case, how many days would A take to finish the work if he works alone at his usual efficiency is one question. Okay. The next one is A does 4 by 9th as much work as B in 2 by 5th of time. Then if they together take 27 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take alone to do it? You please take a little time. The reasonable time for this one is first question can be done in 1 minute. Yes, I mean it, provided if you have proper basics and adequate practice. Second question also not more than 1 minute. This I can say 1 to 1.5 is maximum actually. This can be done in 1 minute only if you have proper practice. Okay, now let's discuss these two questions in detail. I have taken the first question there. I hope it is visible for all of you. Always remember students, if any beginner is there in this session, always read the question properly. Okay, and just try to divide the problem into two parts, information part and question part. First go to the question part and try to find out what exactly they want us to find out. Then come to the information part. With the given information, am I able to solve the question or not? This is officer's job. You have to decide it. If you feel that you are not able to answer the question with the given data, then your option will be data inadequate. That means provided data are not sufficient for me to answer the question. Or else, if you feel that yes, I am able to answer the question with the given data, go ahead and try to find out what exactly they are asking for and try to analyze the given data, take out the clues and try to solve the question in the stipulated time. This is the basic methodology to do any mathematics question. For that matter, arithmetic question in any competitive exam. Okay, now let's apply the same strategy here. Quickly go for that one. Already I have read the question for you. There are only two information in that one. A and B can together do the work in 12 days if they work with their usual capacity efficiency. If A works half efficiently only with the half efficiency when compared to the usual efficiency, and B works at thrice as his efficiency 3 times, then the work would have been completed in 9 days. Then this is the information. Now the question is, how many days would A alone take to complete the work? The question is, how many days A alone takes to complete the work? That means what I need to find out here is how many days A takes to complete the work alone. Okay, what I require for that one, this is the way. I need total amount of work. Simple students, total amount of work divided by A's efficiency or A's 1 day's work. Got the idea? total amount of work divided by A's efficiency will give me in how many days A alone complete the work. This is the way. In the beginning, right from the beginning in our basic sessions, I've been teaching you the arithmetic in this way. This is one of the techniques from the Vedic mathematics. After that, we have applied many things which we have learned from the basics, isn't it? In the regular sessions, we are doing the same thing. Now, the same thing here. My task is to find out total amount of work. Then A's efficiency, if you divide total amount of work with A's efficiency, I get the answer. Now my task is to find out these two students. Okay. Now, if you combine the given information, that is 12 days and 9 days, some situation they have described, if you combine those two information, easily I can find out A's and B's individual efficiency. How that is, students? Here, observe carefully. If A and B work with their usual capacity, it takes 12 days for them. When A works with half capacity and B works with 3 times his usual capacity, it would have been completed in 9 days. Two separate situations are there. Here, in both the cases, total amount of work done is same. Yes or no? In both the cases, total amount of work done is same. Now you equalize the work in both the cases. What is the first case? 12 days. 12 days into A's 1 day's capacity plus B's 1 day's capacity or efficiency. 12 days into A and B's combined efficiency will give me the total amount of work. Okay. Is equal to, as far as this is concerned, 9 days. 9 days into A's half, I'll write it this way, half into A's work, half into A's efficiency, that is work per day, plus 3 times B's capacity for 9 days is equal to this one. All of you agree with this? This is the officer's job. This blueprint should come to your mind. Ultimately, my task is to find out A's individual efficiency, A's work per day. To do that one, this information is enough for me. Now simply simplify this one to get A's efficiency is to B's efficiency or A by B's efficiency. Easily I can do that one, but simplification also must be done very quick, students. I am doing in this way. This is 3 times. Then 3 4 times. Okay. Now in this case, on the left hand side it will become 4A and 4B, but here on the right hand side denominator is 2. You have to go with the LCM of this one, that is A by 2 plus 3 by 3B. What would you get here? This is 2 into 3, 6. Okay, this is 2A. I'm not writing everything on the board. Above, the numerator will be 2A plus 6B, isn't it? By 2. This 2 you have to multiply with this 4 because I'm going for the cross multiplication. So this 2 into 4, 8. Now here finally 8A plus 8B. Always you have to do in this way. Here it is 3A. The numerator is in 3A plus 2 into 3. This is 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18B. I hope you understood this step. You must understand this. Okay. Always you have to do the simplification in this way. Take the like terms together. 8A. This comes here, minus 3A is equal to 5A is equal to 18B minus 8B is equal to 10B. Okay, 5 1s and 5 2s. As simple as this one. So 1 time A's efficiency is equal to 2 times B's efficiency. That means A is more efficient than B. For that matter, double efficient than B. Now here, as far as A and B's efficiency ratio is concerned, I'm taking it as A by B. A by B is equal to 2 by 1. That's it. That's it. How much time did it take for you? Simply you can do this question within 1 minute, maximum of 1.5. Now I got A's efficiency 2 units per day. That is 2. Now total amount of work. What we have decided first, total amount of work divided by A's efficiency will give me the answer. This is the way to do the question, right? Now total amount of work is nothing but this one only. Either you can take this or this, whatever it may be. Total amount of work is this one. That is 12 into A plus 12 days into A plus B's efficiency or 1 day's work. A plus B's efficiency is 2 plus 1 3. Total amount of work is 12 into 3 divided by A's efficiency is 2. Just go for the simplification. 2 6 times and this is 6 into 3. 18 days is my answer. As simple as this one. So simply go for the options here. Here they have given the options. This is the first option, very first option itself, 18 days. So my answer is 18 days. Option number 1 is the right one. See students, how simply you have done this one. But to go for this, you must be having the thorough understanding of time and work concept. Only then you are able to do this question. With only 3 steps you can do this one. The first and foremost very important thing is that work done in both the cases is same. 12 into A plus B's efficiency is equal to 9 days into half A's efficiency plus 3 times B's efficiency. I've converted the verbal statements to mathematical equation there, isn't it? Now clearly I found out A by B here, A's efficiency by B's efficiency, 2 is to 1. Now here total amount of work 12 into 3, A's efficiency 2, my answer is 18. Within 1 minute you can do this question provided you have the complete conceptual clarity. That is the reason why students, what I generally do, I just teach the basics right from the basic level. I told all the students who have taken our regular course, first 5 lessons in each chapter are very important for you. At least 3 lessons. Because you learn the complete basics. After that, application of the basics. Okay, now go for the next question here. I hope you can do this question very easily. Okay, how they have given, just go for this one. A does. Now, this is also not very difficult question. You can do it, but the same conditions apply here. What is that? The basic should be clear. First of all, what they have given, A does 4 by 9th as much work as B comparing to B. A does 4 by 9th as work as compared to B. Work this one in 2 by 5th of time. That means A does 4 by 9th of the work as compared to B in 2 by 5th of the time as compared to B. This is clear. That means A's work has come, A's timing has come. Time, how much time? Duration. Then B's work and B's timing has also come. When we get A's work, B's work, A's timing, B's timing, finding out efficiency of A and B is cakes walk. In the regular course, I have given you the shortcut. Here also, I'll give you the shortcut and then I just explain you the reason why and when and how we have to use the shortcut. Okay, and then after that, go on reading the question. If they together take 27 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take alone to do it? Same thing, students. What I need to find out here, how much time B takes alone to do this one. That means here very simply, first I need to find out total amount of work divided by B's efficiency will give me the answer. How simple this one. This is the base you have to learn. What I need to find out. I need to find out total amount of work divided by B's efficiency. Clearly, students, I can find B's efficiency with the first statement itself. Both, not only B's, but for A's efficiency also in comparison, I can find out. So, this is done. I can do this one. Then total amount of work, easily you can do this one. When you know A's and B's combined efficiency per day or work per day, that into 27 days, because together they can take 27 days to complete the work. That into 27 days will give me the total amount of work. Then total amount of work by B's efficiency will give me the answer. Now, how to find out B's efficiency here? Now, try to find out the efficiency. As just now I told you, first efficiency there. Efficiency can be found out when they have given work and time in comparison. I have given you the technique in the basic classes. Simple shortcut, one step shortcut I have given you. How? First you start with the work. First work, this order should be maintained. Next time you will get the efficiency. How is that? Whose work? A is to B's work. Now you see here, A does 4 by 9th as much work as B. What do you mean by A does 4 by 9th as much work as B? What is the ratio of the work done by A and B? That is very simply 4 is to 9. Very simple that way. Why 4 is to 9? Actually, this is a simple shortcut, but the explanation I'll give you here. That means A does 4 by 9th as much work as B means if B has done one work, A can do only 4 by 9th of that work. 4 by 9th of 1. That's the meaning of it. That means B's work is 1, A's work is 4 by 9. Then what is A's work is to B's work? 4 by 9 is to 1 or 4 by 9 divided by 1. That is nothing but 4 is to 9. Now we got the clarity. Similarly, time also. A does 4 by 9th as much work as B in 2 by 5th of time. What do you mean by that one? If B takes 1 day, A takes 2 by 5th of 1 day. That means A's time is 2 by 5th, B's time is 1. If you take days, hours, months, whatever it may be. Now A is to B means 2 by 5 divided by 1. So that is simply time is 2 is to 5. This is the shortcut, students. Okay, to find out this one directly, you can say A does 4 by 9th as much as B means 4 is to 9. And A takes 2 by 5th of the time as compared to B means 2 is to 5. Time ratio and work ratio. When you know the time ratio and work ratio, directly you can say the efficiency ratio. How is that? Simply go for the multiplication. Always remember, go like this. Multiplication. So from this to this, this to this. 5 4s are 20. Is to 2 9s are 18. If you want to simplify, you just simplify this one. This is how much? 2 10 times? 2 9 times. This is the work ratio. Now you got the idea? Alright, so this is the shortcut, students. What is the reason behind that? I have given in the regular course, and now I am explaining that one here for the beginners. If any beginner is there, or if any advanced student means those students who are practicing advanced level questions. That's it. Not that physically you are advanced students. Remember that one. Okay, anyway, for those students who are practicing advanced questions also, if you want to know the reason behind this shortcut, how did I get this 10 is to 9 directly with the cross multiplication here? What is the reason behind that? Very simple. The rationale is in this way. Suppose if you take A's case, students, A's case, in 2 days, A can do 4 works. That's the meaning of that. In 1 day, A can do how much work? Efficiency is nothing but 1 day's work only. In 1 day, 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 are 2. Got it? Now, A's efficiency is 2. Now, coming to B's. In 5 days, B can do 5 days, 9 work. 1 day, how much? So that is 1 by 5 into 9. So that is 9 by 5. Just try to follow this one. Now, A's is 2, efficiency is 2, B's is 9 by 5. Now, what is A is to B's efficiency means 2 is to 9. 2 is to 9 by 5. 2 is to 9 by 5. Or if you want to make it as the regular ratio, 2 5s are 10, 10 is to 9. That's it. Now you got the idea? How 2 5s are 10? Again, I need not tell this one. LCM is 5. 5 into 2. This one 10. 9 by 5 into 5. That is 9. So 10 is to 9. Have you got the same thing there? Yes or no? So this is the reason behind this. But students, in a competitive examination, you cannot do all these things on the paper. This is for you, for your understanding, for your knowledge, because all the shortcuts can be developed by you with the basics. If any, I can say a proper teacher, the best teacher always teaches you the concept. Based on the concept, you can develop the shortcuts by yourself. You can do it by yourself, right? Now, this is the shortcut. This is the reason behind that. Now, very simply, students, here I got B's and A's efficiency. Now, I'm taking this one out. This is for you, not for the examiner. For the examiner, you have to do this work only. I got the efficiency. What I need to find out? Total amount of work divided by B's efficiency. I got B's efficiency. B's efficiency is 9. One thing is done. Now, what's total amount of work? I can easily do that one. That is, both can do in 27 days. 27 into, here it is given 27 into their 1 day's capacity efficiency, 10 plus 9, that is 19. A plus B together. This is the total amount of work divided by B's efficiency is 9. Now simply my answer is 9 3 times and 19 3 is 57. Yes. So my answer is 39, 55, 57 is the right option. Have you got the idea, students? This is how exactly you need to do the questions. I hope you have enjoyed these questions. Why I am using the term enjoy? Because always you have to like, you should like what you do. Then you can do miracles in that field, whatever the field may be. If you like mathematics wholeheartedly, you can do wonders in mathematics. I'm telling you, students, because I like maths and reasoning, logical reasoning. I've done almost research on these two subjects for the last 25 years, and proudly I'm saying I've made more than 18,500 students to get successful. Now they are working in different central and state governments across the country. So I definitely wish you must also get success. And if any student wants to join our regular course, the foundation course, the basic and advanced, basic, moderate, advanced, 3 levels will be there. If you want to join our regular courses, you please call us on 7013139947 or visit chakravarthysir.com. You can get all the details from there. Thank you so much, students.